Yo, chat, what's good, man? How we doing? Welcome back. Yo, yo, yo. What is popping, man? What's going on? How we all doing? Welcome back to the streams. What's good, what's good, what's good? So, that should be a good day today, to be honest. I'm excited. Listen, good Levi, was good KB, Sinner was good. Kata, Noodle Holtz, popping. How's everyone doing, man? Welcome back. So, chat, today should be an interesting one, to be honest, because we have FOMC later on today. We also have unemployment claims as well. So it should be interesting, I can't lie. Should be interesting. Yeah, when is that? Okay, yeah, 7 p.m. for FOMC. And then yeah, 1:30 we have unemployment claims. So obviously New York session is gonna get a bit lively. I don't know if I'm gonna stream FOMC, most likely not, to be honest, but yeah, we'll see what we do. Then chat, look. Right now we're actually, to be honest, pushing down here on gold. So I wanna see what we can do. Let's get into the analysis and we'll see exactly what we're looking at. So obviously on the weekly time frame, I mean, bro, yesterday we pushed down about 700 pips, which was just insane, to be honest. Like, you've got a lot of room that you've pushed down here. I'd like to see a big retracement, to be honest, but I'm not sure if we're going to actually see that just yet. Daily candle as well did push down first, which is interesting. So you did essentially continue that move down. Now you are starting to retrace here. I feel like I want to see it as a minimum, a tap into 72.9 or 73. Otherwise, I'd like to see if you can come a lot further up towards like 700, 704, somewhere like that. But yeah, also on the 4 hour, you are sort of doji right now. So essentially you're in a position where you're almost like, you know, deciding which direction to go for the day. Now the 1 hour as well has flipped, started to push down. So that being said, right, if we're looking at our 1 hour levels, essentially we've probably got a level here at 2663, sorry. Should take you down towards this area here at 2659 if you don't tap that within the next few seconds. Then after that, looking left as well. Yeah, that makes sense. After that, I'd say you're probably good until 2652. You should be good to come down and tap into 2652 if you do close below 59 here. I'm probably not going to look for buys today at all, to be honest. Probably just look for the sells. But yeah, with that being said, obviously once we can either close bearish on this 1 hour candle or close below 2659, we're going to look for some sells here to continue the move back down. So we'll see if we can get that. But for right now, chat, all we have to do is lock in. Wait for a second and yeah, chill out. But yeah, chat, how was everyone's day yesterday? Hopefully you guys killed it. And yeah, see what's happening. Right, W. Bro, you lot asleep. What's going on? Where is everyone, man? Nah, what's good? So, yeah, bro. Yesterday, sorry, was a crazy day. I haven't seen a day in the markets like that ever, to be honest. So, we sort of sat on the sidelines a little bit. But yeah, really interesting stuff, to be honest. I think a lot of people made a fortune yesterday. So, you user funded before? I have done, yeah. 2 dubs, 1 loss yesterday. Yeah, nice, Levi. Good stuff. Question is, chat, do we need to come up and grab more liquidity here? Or are the fundamentals of Mr. Trump getting into office going to drive us down? I feel like they might. I feel like that might be enough, to be honest. Chat, look, you got a lot of volume here as well. You're pushing down right now, coming towards the bottom of the range. You do have a 15-minute close here in about 6 minutes time. But obviously, most likely we're going to wait for the 1 hour here. What's good, Prestige? I'm chilling, bro. Are you? How you doing, man? Man, like I was up 3% on the funded phase. Then I got a bad mentality. I get back to -7. How can you manage that? I don't want to lose my funded. Passed through that before. Yeah, like, I mean, I've passed through it with fundeds and with live accounts. Everyone goes into drawdown, right? Drop your risk and take it slow, and eventually, understand that it's going to be a slow process, but eventually you'll be back to where you were. It might not be just yet, you know, it's going to take a while. You have to understand that and acknowledge that, and once you realize that, then you'll be fine. But yeah, like, again, it's all just a journey, right? You can't recover it straight away. Well, you can, right? But you shouldn't try and recover it straight away. All about just, you know, taking your time, consistently trading to your strategy, following good risk. If you do that, then you can't do anything else. All right, cool. So, new vlog is ready to come out very, very shortly. Super excited for that, to be honest. And also, one more thing as well. Actually, I'll say this later when we got some more people on. I'll say this later. But yeah, I can't wait for that new vlog. We literally finished it up last night. That shit's gonna cook. Actually, I think God doesn't want me to lose the account. It's a 50k funded, and I got to the level of 55.1k. Bro, crazy. Good shit. Good Gene. Levi, not gonna lie, I had a mad cheat meal yesterday. Ate like 1.5k to 2k more calories than usual. What'd you eat, bro? I was 50 away from blowing my funded. Now I'm back up 500 plus. Hey, let's go. That's huge. Louis, what's good? Why are you only looking for sells due to the heavy push yesterday? Yeah, I think gold is going to want to just continue to push down today, to be honest. It might retrace, but I think just from a what's it called? Fundamental perspective. I forgot what the word was then. Just from a fundamental perspective, I think the dollar's going to get a lot stronger. And that would mean that gold would push down, right? But back down, never won. It's good, Max. How's it going, bro? Fast food, really? But it's okay for one day? Yeah, of course it is, bro. Everyone's allowed a cheat day. Did the candle close 1 hour later than normal now? No, they're back to where they were before daylight savings. Oh, yeah, well, since recently, yeah. So it's back to where it was. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with a cheat day, Levi. Can't lie. I haven't had a cheat day in ages, but I would like one. To be fair, when I go to Italy, I'll definitely have one. I'm going to Italy next week. I'm going to eat so much, like, pasta, steak, pizza. Not that that's really a cheat day, but you know what I mean. Yeah, that shit's going to be so good. Interest rate decision could support gold bulls. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. So obviously we've got unemployment claims as well today, chat. And FOMC. FOMC is obviously going to be a big one, so you do need to be careful today before FOMC. Please, Mr. SG, is too much winning. Not gonna lie, I went to Italy. I didn't like the food. Your That is actually the worst take I've ever seen in my life. That's probably one of the worst takes I've ever heard ever. I'm not gonna lie. Like, that is unbelievable. What's good, KB? Italy, yeah, Italy probably. I would say I would. You could make a very, very strong argument that Italy has the best food in the world. I think it's a very strong argument to be made that Italy has the best food. I'm honest, man. Yeah, but you're American, right? So you're used to like red 40 cheeseburgers. Nah, but honestly, like when you go to Italy, all the food is so fresh. Like you could eat whatever you want and not get not like feel anything. Like if I eat a pizza in the UK, I feel like shit afterwards. But if you eat one in Italy, it feels so good. Gene, you just definitely went to the wrong places, bro. I can't lie. Because if you went to the right places, it's impossible for you to say that. But chat, look at this 15 close. 15 close bearish, and you're coming up top wick first. Am I the only one who plays chess whilst trading? Actually, not a bad vibe, to be fair. It depends where you go, Gene. Like, actually, I don't think it does. I guess it depends what you get. Or maybe it's just not to your taste. Like, fair play. But I don't know, man. Trying to adapt to more UK vocabulary. Yeah. Didn't fancy it. Yeah, I was gonna say, bro, Gene, like, you gotta let me show you some places, man, because you would never, you'd be gobsmacked, I think. Never been to Italy? I'd definitely recommend it. It's full of Italians, though. That's the only problem. Yeah, if you're in the tourist spots, yeah, it's kind of hit and miss out there. Bro, if anyone ever goes to Florence, right, you have to go to this restaurant right here. I swear to God, it's the oldest restaurant in Italy, I think. Bro, this shit. This is actually going to be one of the best. It's one of the best restaurants I've ever been to. It's insane. They do the craziest steak. Bro, this shit is different level. Like, this is so... so good. Yeah, Rome is dirty. I'm hungry now. Yeah, me too. Me too. SG, where you going Italy the next week? I'll be in Florence, bro, until Sunday probably. I've been pretty much everywhere in Italy, and I'd say Florence is the best city. I also lived there, obviously, for like a good few months. Good Barad, welcome, bro. You like kebab? Yeah. I'll eat a kebab here and there. Why not? Maybe I'll hop on for like 2 days. Pull up, bro. Pull up, man. With my missus though, so gonna have the third wheel. Or bring someone. Almost got pickpocketed in Rome. Yeah, bro, that shit can happen too. That can happen anywhere, to be fair, like Barcelona or whatever. Happens everywhere, bro. But chat, look, you got 10 minutes here. Had to go full American, crazy. What's good, Sinner? How you doing, man? Chat, 10 minutes here to the 1 hour close though. 10 minutes. I want to see if we can close below 26.59 now. We can close below there, chat. We'll grab some sales to continue down. I'd quite like to get a position early in London. We don't have to deal with the FOMC bullshit. Good, Leonidas, how you doing, bro? Morning, man. Veg, good morning. Morning, good morning, good morning. Alright, so 10 minutes to this closure. Let's see what we can do. TikTok with my messages doesn't reflect the reality. Bro, that was so funny, bro. I was crying when I made that. Good Atomic Habit. How you doing, man? Good, what's good, what's good? Yeah, chat. So, can we see? Yeah, I should actually get memberships on here so that people in the group can have like a green name. I think that'd be sick. Yeah, bro, I got so many trips planned as well. I'm so excited for that. Like, I actually missed going to see like the culture and shit. But that's the one thing I think Americans don't have is like, obviously a rich history like that. Bro, it's crazy to me. Like, I'm pretty sure the apartment where my girl lives is like 500 years old or some shit. Like, that's insane. I swear America's like 200. That's so weird. It's such a weird like concept. Not to shit on America or anything, but like, you know what I mean? It's just weird. I can't imagine like going that far back. Yeah, Native American. Yeah, I hear that. Indigenous. Yeah, 8 minutes here. Can we push down and close below? That's the question on everyone's mind. But listen, also, if you haven't already, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Chat, we're literally 50 subs off 5k, bro. $50 subs off, which is nuts. Like, smash phone alert again, but 50 subs. Crazy. I reckon we can hit that maybe this week. Maybe, depending on how good today is, we could hit it tomorrow. Bro, yeah, Gene, you need to watch, have you seen that? There's a Netflix special called Lost Civilization or some shit, and it's about Central America. Well, the second series is about Central America. It's so interesting. Very interesting. 500 members on IGSO. Oh shit, I didn't even clock that. That's huge. That's huge, chat. Yeah, W. Yeah, the other thing is as well, I'm going to be releasing well, not releasing, it's already out, but I'm going to be posting a shitload. Actually, releasing, yeah. I'm going to be releasing an email list, right? So like a newsletter. TRLS newsletter. So I'm going to be posting hella value on there, like, every week. Like, a couple of times a week, I'll put an email in there. And yeah, essentially just provide you guys with shitloads of value. So make sure you sign up to that. Put yourself on the list because, yeah, I'm literally going to be using that as like a almost Twitter, like, you know, not Twitter, but how can I say it? guess like just an educational tool, right? Just to provide as much value, updates, etc., etc., etc. Things would be sick. Done. Hey, good stuff, Noodle. Thank you, my brother. Yeah, we got a new domain as well, trls.io. So everything now under this brand is going to be on the trls.io, which is going to be sick. But yeah, like if you go to the website, it's literally just that. Search us up, easy as fuck. 5 minutes here though, chat. You are pushing down. So also the 4-hour flipped here. Those look kind of nice, to be honest. Question is, oof. Stops are not ideal. Can I make commands? Yeah, bro, you can. You can do. That'd be sick. Thank you, Noodles. Go, go, go. Okay, okay. 4 minutes here, chat. Lock it in, man. Now, look, if we can close here at this, realistically, you should be good to see a continuation downwards. Every time you close back into this range, you're going to push down. This way, we need to mark this area here. Yeah, you should at least tap into 56.7 as a minimum. Yeah, most of the time you close into this area, you do feel the range. So I think we should be good to drive here, to be honest. See what we can do, chat. See if we can get a nice closure here. Let me open this broker real quick. Lovely stuff. It's the money sound. She needs to come stateside. Bro, I'll be there soon, man. Not soon, but I do have plans to be there eventually. I think the American experience. Yeah, I actually do need to see it for at least one time. Oh yeah, true. Now the orange man's in power as well, I can come over a little bit more. Shooting guns? Yeah, bro. Like, what state do I have to go to do that? I guess any, right? But apparently, there's a potential that I'm going to be meeting some traders in Florida at some point. Pretty sure they have guns out there. Oh, there you go. Yeah, Miami. I think I'll be there. Crazy, bro. I can't even imagine shooting like an AR or something. Or a school, yeah, crazy. Imagine you see big SG with a gun walking down the street. Insane. Bro, I find it crazy that people can just... walk down the street with a Glock. Anyway, chat, start to lock it in here. You got 2 minutes to the closure. What's good, Josiah? How you doing, bro? Welcome, man. Welcome. Yeah, chat, look. We need to see a decent closure here on the 1 hour. I want to see a nice bottom wick being left here and then a top wick on the open. we can get that top wick, we should be good to get some sales to continue back down, right? You made another higher low, a lower high, sorry. But it looks as if we might close no top wick. Not top wick, bottom wick. Same thing. And you kind of filled the range now, which is tough. Yeah, I think it might be another one of those days on gold. Might be another one of those days on gold, but we'll see. 44 seconds here to the close. Focus up real quick. Huge ranges, yeah, that's the problem as well. I don't like this though. Trading indices. I don't think that's a bad idea, bro. I don't think that's a bad idea. I'm not going to switch pairs though. I'm just going to ride this one out. Yeah, it's going to close no bottom wick. Whoa, lovely stuff. Thank you, Mr. Gold. And we wait. Yeah, I can't take shit here, chat. I mean, it looks nice to come back down on the 15 and the 30 and everything. No wick. No trade for me, chat, right now. Can't take shit right here. But I know, yeah, this time it gives us a top wick as well, which is funny. This time it gives us a top wick. But nah, look, it is what it is. I want to know, yeah, what's Trump done on his first day? Oh, so to be fair, he's not been like signed anything yet, has he? Not been like inaugurated or whatever. When does he get like put in office? Yo, look at that shit, bro. Top wick as well. Such a clean top wick. Doesn't go until January, yeah. That's crazy. It's good, man. Mid-Jan 20th? Crazy. Question is, can he survive until then, bro? I have a feeling. I've got a feeling they've got a backup plan. The Roomba vacuum, yeah. Good, Abdullah, how's it going, bro? Put him in a fucking cupboard for a month and just do fuck all. Patriots gonna take your stream now? Yeah, true. Yeah, I actually need to chill out, or I need to go stream on fucking Rumble or some shit. Mr. Rays, how's it going, brother? Imagine, bro, you start seeing Trendline's Rumble streams. That's when you know it's game over. Carry is perfect. I know, bro. It literally made the perfect top wick for us as well. Yeah, if you close with a bottom wick, I'd be in there right now. You'd be in there so clean. Yo, back was in a trade. What did you catch, KB? Pushing up though, chat. Interesting. So now the next question is, how's the 4-hour going to close? How's this 30-minute and 15-minute going to close? 20 pip gold sell? Nice, bro. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, bro. Cells look so clean here. I just can't grab anything, unfortunately. One Germany 30 long, 2 gold cells this morning. I was going crazy. Insane. There was a bottom wick. Where would you get into the trade? Probably here. Actually, I probably would have been in like around like 26.59. Or depending on what this 5 does. Probably would be in after this 5 closing the top wick. Nah. We're good. Yeah, if that 5 closed no top wick and we had a bottom wick on the 1 hour, that would have been a clean entry. Otherwise, yeah, look. Right now, just need to wait here because this bottom wick essentially, well, firstly, look at the fucking structure that we're printing here, chat. It's just a barcode. It's just up, down. You could scan this shit if you went to Tesco. Alright, you need to literally just wait and see because right now we're just ranging. I feel like we're going to consolidate before the news later, right? You've got unemployment claims, you've got FOMC, you've got lots of shit, to be honest, so you need to be careful. I'm gonna have this 5 flips. Bro, I'm not interested in that. Yeah, chat, just pushing up. The only thing I would say as well is just to be careful. Like, again, a lot of times before we have FOMC, you will spend most of the day ranging, or like at least faking out a lot. So that is something you really do need to be careful of. I don't know if I might, I don't know. I don't really want to stream FOMC later, to be honest, but I also could. Discord VC. Yeah, we could do, to be fair. How you doing, man? I was looking to buy gold above 26.63.9. Yeah, that's not a bad level, bro, to be fair. I just don't know if I want gold buys right now, to be honest. Don't know if I want that. I think it's a bit concerning to take buys here. I think we're probably just going to continue to drift down for the rest of the week. Unless, obviously, FOMC or whatever does something different. I feel like you might just continue to push down. SG, it's great what you do for this community, but you also need to think of yourself. Yeah, 100%, bro. I do, don't worry. But, yeah. That's why I was thinking about streaming FOMC or not. Probably won't. Yeah, chat, this is interesting. So we just tapped exactly back into where we were, just a full retracement there. Not much I can do here, to be honest, unless this 1 hour decides to flip. Sell market, Shift S. What? Bro, I've never seen this before. Is there a Shift S? Bro, there's a hotkey to take sells. That's crazy. That's insane. You guys can get super quick sells. Alright, chat, but look, you did tap into 63 here and start to reject, which is interesting. 1 minute looks kind of clean. Might start to see a push down. 5 minute close bearish. Not bearish, sorry, but like weak. Interesting, chat. Clean reaction right there. Cool. 15-minute closing here in 4 minutes, chat. Personal opinion, will have a retrace on gold. Yeah, DT will push the dollar up, but once he starts talking with Ukraine, Russia, Israel, gold will go back up. Yeah, I think so too. I just don't know if right now I can take sells against it, take some buys against it with this trend. Below 59 top week person, I'm in. Yeah, potentially. I'm gone to fix the US, hopefully. If not, I will officially give up on politics in the US. I voted for the Rumba thinking he would help. He fucked it up worse. Hopefully, Unc can fix it. Yeah, bro. Alright, chat, you got 2 minutes here to the 15-minute closure. The question is, what are you going to do? What's good, Viking? How you doing, man? Actually, you've been all around the EU? Yeah, bro. Pretty much, like, not all around, but to a lot of places. I've never been out east, though, to be honest, which I should. Can you flush? Yeah, you can flush toilet paper, bro. Only in Greece, I don't really like that, to be honest. I don't know why. I always just do it, and they don't nothing happens, to be honest. There you go. Good bad dog. Good morning, man. Yeah, chat. So can we push down here? The question is obviously 5 minutes closing bearish here, or looks like it wants to close bearish. 15-minute starting to reject. When I went to Italy, they told me I couldn't. I was like, yeah, man. No, I don't think that's a thing. I think it just depends. Interesting, chat. Look at this rejection. Strong ass rejection too. Yeah, I want to see the next 15 close back below this level. You can do that, then we'll look for some sells here. But right now, I'm not going to take anything just yet. I want to see just one more closure below 26.59. And once you get that, should be good to go. Alright, cool. My bad, chat. Right, I'm back. What's good, not trend lines? How we doing, brother? How we doing, man? Bro, I'm not gonna lie. This Trump election's got people going crazy. Actually got people going crazy. But look, wow, okay, so you rejected here off the level. This 30 close is gonna be very interesting, chat. It should tell you a lot, to be honest. I'm not the biggest fan of this choppy ass range though, to be honest. It's a little bit difficult here. Lock this shit in, chat. Bro. Alright, Gene, in a bit, man. But yeah, chat, look. To be honest, I want to wait and see here. I'm also very conscious of the fact that it's like pre-FOMC and unemployment claims. Doesn't mean I'm not going to take anything in London, right? I'm just saying, like, I think price action might be a little bit different. But nonetheless, if we can form something decent, we'll obviously grab it. How's everyone's week been so far, though? You guys up for the week? I know it's been a difficult week. I think I'm a little bit down, actually, this week. It's been a weird week, to be honest. Thank you for enlightening my little American brain. Crazy. You're good, bro. Down for the week? Yeah, I think that's understandable, bro. I think it's been a very difficult week to trade. Some people will be up, though. But you just got to stay strong in this week, to be fair. Up 3k times 3 accounts, bro. That's insane. Been a really good week. I'm up. Not gonna say the percent. All right, bro. Fair play. Yeah, Gene, probably stop trading, bro. If you're 9k up for the week. Insane, bro. Grab that payout. Good job. Good morning, bro. Took a week-long break from trading after some L's. Came back yesterday and got 6%. Yo, Mia, that's crazy. Congrats. That's huge. Lost my phase 2, started an instant funding account. However, spreads and lack of leverage is hampering my progress in the last 2 days. Oh, yeah, bro, that's tough. Yeah, take it slow, man. The spreads yesterday were crazy, to be fair. I think on every single broker. Yeah, man. But it's definitely been an interesting week, I can't lie. How's it? NY was more promising? How's it? Yeah, chilling, bro. How are you? No, I think, to be honest, the same thing. Taking a long weekend in 2 weeks? Yeah, do it. I really realized I need to work on my discipline on when not to trade, when I'm not mentally there 100%. Bro, yeah, honestly, Mia, that's a great point. I've been thinking about this a lot recently. Like, there's been a few days where you can, like, tell... Well, like, I've had it before where you can tell you're not in the right space to trade. And on those days, you have to be able to recognize that and just take a step away. I think that's very important. It's definitely a good thing to do, not like a negative thing. A lot of people would be like, oh yeah, but you know, don't get your emotions involved, all that shit. Like, just trade anyway. But nah, you've got to just realize sometimes you're not, like, with anything. You know, if you were like I don't know, an F1 driver and you weren't fit to drive, you know, you wouldn't do it, right? Same with trading. You just can't put yourself in a mentality where you have to get a trade or whatever when you're not feeling it. Way better to step away and come back when you're a bit sharper. Like a win will cheer me up, but I end up doing bullshit. Yeah. Right, yeah, I understand that. I can't lie as well. I think taking trips is like the biggest trading cheat code. Like, going on, like, doesn't have to be a whole holiday or like vacation or whatever, but just like taking a trip somewhere out of the country puts you in a way different mentality. Every time I come back from like somewhere, when I came back from Greece or Italy or Germany or wherever I go, right, I always have a different mentality on trading. It's so interesting. So interesting. Do stuff that gets your mind out a bit. Yeah, exactly. Do stuff, come back with more fire. Yeah, so true. Goody gang, what's good, man? Boys holiday, yeah, indeed. Indeed. Ricky, good man. Hello. Bro, snorkeling. Yeah, that's a good shout, actually. I need to do that shit. Might have to pull up to Italy. Not to Italy, to Egypt. And do that. I also want to do like quads on the dunes or whatever. You in Egypt, bro? Yeah, I bet. Let me look this shit up. Yo, what? That's insane. Yeah, I gotta get there, bro. That's sick. Alright, cool. I'm gonna hit you up, try and figure out where it was. If I don't get a payout this time, I'm starting small on my personal funds. Yeah, bro, I feel like that's the way. Also, you can risk a lot more on personal funds, especially if if you're a good, like if you've got the skill right, if you're a good trader, you can risk a little bit more and like stack it up very, very fast. You ever been skydiving? No way, bro. No shot, and I never will. Fuck that. Why would I ever do that, man? No chance. That's the one thing where I'm like, nah. Just a risk. That's like just an unnecessary risk. Isn't Cairo a shithole though? That's what I've heard. I could be completely wrong, but I've heard that like the actual, I don't know. How much you need to start off on personal funds? What would you recommend? I think you can do well with anything from like 10, 20k. You could probably make a living off of. You might be over risking it a little bit. It depends on your strat, but 10, 20k, you're probably good. Obviously, the bigger the capital, the less you can risk and still make a decent amount. You ski SG? Yes, sir. I love skiing, bro. We actually need to do a ski trip. I want to do a TRLS ski trip, bro. Go to like Snowbox or something like that. Insane. I'm gonna have to hire someone to like organize these trips like down the line. Actually can't ski for shit, I'm bored. Yeah, I never tried snowboarding, bro. I used to go skiing with school a lot, and I never tried snowboarding, to be fair. Easier? I've heard that snowboarding's harder. Like a lot harder. Skiing's pretty easy. Like, skiing's very easy. He just felt unnatural. Yeah. He was basically just ice skating with like big things on the end of your feet. At your knees too much. But I think skiing's, I don't know, for everyone that I've spoken to says that snowboard is a lot harder. I think you might be an outlier, Jar, to be honest. And from ski to board, which one's harder? But I'd never skateboarded or anything, so I got no clue how to even start on a board, you know? Bro, bro, I actually, you know what? We'll do a trip, somewhere else or somewhere, one day. Bro. We'll go to, where did I used to like Val d'Isere. Val d'Isere is super nice. Such a cool town. Bro, this shit is just next level. Been there, bro? Yeah, I used to go there. Where else? There's Xauusd is nice. Not as nice, but it's nice. Bro, I actually need to go back skiing. It's a different feeling. Especially like just, yeah. Teen. Oh, it's like that. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, trust me. I actually feel like, bro, when you're skiing, it's a different feeling. I actually might have to book a ski trip soon. Yo, gang, who wants to go on a ski trip? Oh, Egypt is beautiful. It's melting. Yeah, maybe. You can always just go to the indoor ones in Dubai. Or like, wait, hang on, chat. There's 30 minutes closing bullish here. Oh no, it's closing respecting. Good Dev, how's it going, bro? You know the answer, I'm up. Yeah, cool. Bro, I actually, in Emirates Mall, yeah, it's so crazy. Slovenia. Bro, I had a friend who went skiing in Bulgaria. He said it was a bit shit, but it was also like 50 quid or something for a ski pass. Insane. Ski in the morning, beach in the afternoon. Slovenia, crazy. Yeah, bro, but when you ski in summer, it's like that anyway. Like, I remember skiing in like a t-shirt and shit because it was so hot. Dory in Georgia. I'm not trying to go to Georgia, I'm not gonna lie. It actually looks alright, to be fair. Bro, but I don't think you can ever beat, like, Mongolia. I'm actually going to Mongolia next year. I can't lie. You're gonna see SG with, like, a big eagle on his arm like this. Then what you gonna do, chat? Then what you gonna do? You lot are gonna be like, holy shit. You're gonna see me like this. Bow out and everything. It's insane. I have my own camels. I might just never come back. Like, you might just never see me again. I might just be out here with the Mongolian people. Eagle on the arm. Bro, that is sick. That is actually next level, I can't lie. North Sentinel Island, insane. Never been Mongolia? Yeah, I want to go. I'm not gonna lie. Can you gamble there? What are the eagles for? Bro, Jar, they use them to hunt. Like, they train eagles up. Like, it's their cultural thing. They've done it for, like, thousands of years or whatever, but they train them to hunt. Because there's so much, like, bro, Mongolia is so sparsely populated. They can't cover all the land, so they send the eagles out to, like, hunt and shit. And they bring back food. It's crazy. It's so insane, bro. Such a vibe. My boy Genghis. Go to Antarctica and gamble there. Be the first guy to gamble. Insane. I want an eagle. How much? I don't even know, bro. That's a fat statue. Imagine having a statue of yourself that big. That is ginormous. That's insane. Yeah, man. Go to Dagestan for 4 years and forget. No, so the plan is, bro, I can't lie. Next year, I'm going to do it. I'm going to go to Mongolia for like a weekend. Because I'll be out there anyway. I'll be out that direction. I'm going to go to Mongolia for a weekend or like even maybe a week. And just no phone, no internet, no nothing. Just sleep under the stars. And just like, I don't know, escape. I think it'd be so sick. I don't know how I'm going to last a week without a phone, but I think it'd be a good little thing. Like a nomad. I'm telling you, bro. I'm going to master the eagle training. I'm going to have my own one. Sleeping under the moon does brain damage? No, it doesn't. What do you mean? What do you mean for real, bro? Humans have slept under the stars for like literally millions of years, bro. It doesn't do brain damage. Eagle in one hand, MT5 on the burner in the other. Bro, if I'm out in Mongolia, I'm gonna need a sat phone. I'm gonna get a sat phone with fucking MT5 on it. Or actually, I'm gonna have to text people signals and just like be like, can you place this? Wrestling in Dagestan, bro. I'm not gonna go wrestle in Dagestan. Are you joking? Who do you think? Who do you think I am, bro? My name does not end in a V. I'm gonna get seriously mashed up by those guys. Bro, not even a chance. Those guys don't even take it easy as well. Like, you tell them you're brand new and they'll go, okay. And then just like, you know, and then you're just fucked. There's no shot. Yeah, Muay Thai in Thailand is a bit more realistic, bro. That's what makes you better. That's not what makes you better, bro. I'd be dead within a few days. Like, bro, those guys are different. Restaurant time for me? Alright, insane. Bro's going and wine and dining right now. Chat, look, we've got, how long left here? 25 minutes here to the 4-hour close. 15-minute closing in 10 minutes. Again, you're sort of struggling off this level here. I feel like you're going to start to form a range here, to be honest. Open, what's up? What's good, High Life? How you doing, bro? Bro, yeah, I feel like you are going to start to form a range here. So until we see an actual indication of direction, I'm not sure what we'll do here. Not the pink rice. Not that pink rice again, bro. That's insane. That's the worst meal I've ever seen, ever. Full stop. Why that land placed at the common wicks and not the most recent swing? This one? Just a 1-hour level, bro. Just a 1-hour level. Actually, was it a 1-hour level or a 30? There, one of them. Oh yeah, it was off this 4-hour here. Look how you rejected, right? And you need to see a closure below there before we do anything. Bro, I hope we're not going to go back to dead London sessions now. I don't think I've traded with Trump being in office. I just realized. I was trading crypto in 2020, not gold. Yeah, interesting. What's good, Dutty Bikes? How we doing, man? How's it going, my brother? Look, 15-minute wants to close back into the range. Obviously, the 30-minute did kind of close above those, so we can't really take... It's difficult for me to take sells right now. We'll see what we do, actually. Subscribe to the channel. We're a few humans away from 5k. Yeah, how far actually are we? 50 subs off is kind of insane. Yeah, look, pushing down here, chat. You are just going to start to range. So potentially off this 15 close, I can look to take some sells here. You come in sells from 65. Yeah, that's a nice little sell, bro. Living in a mental shack 2 hours away from any shops for the last 5 days. So glad to have a toilet and hot water. Forget how thankful we are for simple things. A metal shack, right? I presume, not a mental shack. Unless it was a mental shack. Bro, that's crazy. Yeah, good shit. I guess that really brings you back to like gratefulness, right? So Roger talking about how trading's gonna be fun again. Yeah, I feel like there's gonna be a lot of volume. I feel like there's gonna be a lot more volume in the markets. A lot more shit going on, right? One tweet market goes nuts, yeah. Yeah, Metal Shack, I was gonna say. Or isn't the Mental Shack? Can we close bearish here on the 15 in 5 minutes? If you can, and then you can get a little top wick. We can take some sells to continue back down into this range, right? Feel as if we're just going to continue here. You close respecting on the 30. I think we're going to try and make a range. So if we can catch the sells from up here, it would be good to continue all that way back down. Let's see. Let's lock it in here for the next 5 minutes. Oh. Yeah, let's see what we can grab, to be honest. Longs 2662.4. Crazy, bro. Nice little catch. Yeah, we'll see how we close here, right? Obviously, if the 15 continues to push up, then we'll stop looking for sells. But I think if you can close back in the range, you should be good to drive down. Interesting thing now is as well, we got a bit of history, right? So we can actually scroll left and take a look at the chart. We haven't had for a while. We actually do have that now, which is good. Same here, plus 40 pips. Right, insane. Plus 40 pips. If you got him down there, GG's. GG's. You get that at 59, that's crazy. Alright, 15 looking to flip here. I just don't like this level here, to be honest, chat. Deal in a few minutes. Alright, catch in a bit, bro. Realistically, I'd probably do this if I was honest. You have some strong levels down there. Well, mad pips on sales yesterday. Hey, let's go, bro. Straight from the tin shack to catching sales. That's clean. Cat, you do have a 4-hour close in 17 minutes as well, so you do need to be careful about that. Obviously, I want to wait and see what we do here on the 4, because if you close bullish like this, you do have some levels here to the left, but potentially you could see a pushback up towards like 26.77 at least. Yeah. Cat, give me 2 secs. I'll be back in a second, yeah? Yo! SG applying his invisibility skills is crazy. Alright, what's good, man? So, we are back. Now, 15 minutes closing here. What are you going to do? It looks like you want to close respecting almost like weak bearish kind of. So not enough for me to take sells here, not back into the level. And yeah, you came straight down first, which is interesting. So now the next thing I want to see is how this 4 hour is going to close. So I'm going to redo my levels here for the 4 hour real quick. I would say, to be honest, as long as this 4 hour can close above 26.64 here, you should be good to continue up until a lot further, to be honest. Obviously, if you do start to flip, I mean, you've got room to push down on the 4th for a long, long way. But obviously, I'd say actually you've got room until 51 if you close bearish, even like a lot further, to be honest. But that being said, I don't know if we are going to flip down and close bearish here. The only thing I would say is, whichever way you close here, you're probably going to see a little bit of a continuation in that direction. For at least sort of, you know, the rest of this session. I'm just a little bit concerned about this range here. Like, we seem to be respecting this very, very tightly. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully, either way, it can just stop ranging and give us an actual entry. I don't like trading this area here at the minute, to be honest. But let's see, man. Yo, Vedang, one more thing about calc being short for calculator, I swear. That's first warning. Good noodle hots. Big man, big man. What's this calculator stuff? Bro, some guy on fucking... You don't even want to know, to be fair, KB. It's just some fucking retard on the internet. Some absolute degenerate guy pretending to be like... I don't know. Pretending to be proper, like... nerdy and shit. It's so cringe, bro. I hate it. I actually hate it. But yeah. Right. Look at this though, chat. You got a pretty clean mirror down here. Like, every time you've rejected this area and closed bearish, you have seen a big push down. So I'm trying to see if we can do the same thing here on the 30-minute close. The only concern that I have is obviously it's a 4 hour bullish close. But the rest of the time, right, like every time you close bearish here, you've pushed down. Like, you've continued down quite strongly. On the 30 as well, like if you look left, close bearish, you do push down a little bit further here. You push down a lot further this way. Push down further. Push down further. Yeah, every single time you're tapping into at least like 58 once you close bearish here. I would say if the 30 does close bearish and the 4 hour comes up with the top wick first, I might look to take some sales here to continue back down. It seems as if we're struggling to push up, right? It's not like an easy push. But let's see, a lot of potential here, chat. Just wait for 10 minutes here till the close and we should be able to grab something. Not a long time. Not a long time at all. Bro, I wish I had invisibility skills. That'd be sick. Imagine if you could go invisible. Only trade on inverted charts. Crazy. Bro's doing Control I, no? Or is it Alt I? Yeah. That shit's insane. Trips me out a little bit. I never really do it, but to be fair, when you look at it that way, buys look pretty clean, right? Like, you look pretty good to come back up right now. But at least down here. So, yeah, man, let's see. What's your strategy, bro? Support and resistance, price action, breakouts. Combination of the three, man. How you doing, Calm? How's it over there in the US of A? With the orange man getting elected and shit. I'm not falling for that, but dang. All my fam liberals, they're big sad crying and shit. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. A couple of the boys in one of my group chats just messaged me like this morning, crying their eyes out about Trump. So funny, bro. But he's a convicted felon and but. Okay, bro, chill. Like. There was Nelson Mandela. Bro, this is what I'm saying. Bro, I swear to God, anyone who says anything like anti, they can't give you an argument. They just spit some shit that they've heard on the news. So like the things that I've heard this morning and yesterday are, he's gonna team up with Russia, which is crazy. I don't know. That doesn't really make any fucking sense. Okay. I heard. What did I hear? Oh yeah, rip democracy. That's another one, which makes no sense. Trump also doesn't want to forbid abortions, by the way. He's literally said that he's not going to do that. Anyway, abortions are handled on a state-by-state basis in America. You understand that? Like, it's not a federal thing. It's powers with Putin, yeah. What else? Loads of shit, bro. People are it's insane, bro. Like, they just spit some crazy shit that they haven't even... They don't even know what it means. They just heard it on the news, on CNN or some bullshit. I'm not even joking. I used to go party with Nelson Mandela's grandson in high school. Insane. That's what I said, bro. Yeah, abortion's down to each state. That's what, bro. The Trump abortion things is crazy. They just spit random shit that doesn't make any sense. No, I know. Bro, someone said to me yesterday though that yeah, he's gonna side with Russia, and then also that World War III is gonna start, which like that makes no sense. The Hitler thing's crazy. Like, he was. That's what I don't get, bro. Everyone's like, he's gonna be a dictator. He's gonna be Hitler. He's gonna be all that stuff. Bro, he was president before. It makes no sense. He was the president before, and he didn't do any of those things. It's mad. Mad, bro. I don't know, man. F controls the media? Yeah, of course, bro. I saw that shit, bro. If you vote for Kamala, it's like shitting your pants and changing your shirt, bro. That's so funny. How did he destroy the Supreme Court? How did he destroy that shit? Each president gets to elect a few Supreme Court justices. So he elected his. And yeah. People in America really like killing kids. They want abortion so bad. Bro, I know. It's insane. Everyone in Europe watching this, like, America abortion thing, it's like, whoa. Like, it's insane to me. I saw someone say that they want to... Bro, I saw an American in an interview say that they want to... I actually don't want to say this on this stream, but I saw some crazy shit. What's good there, Real Soccer? Welcome, man. Chat, 5 minutes to the 4-hour close here. Let's step away from the politics real quick and lock in on the charts. Holy. I want to see how we close here on this next 5-minute candle. I think sells look pretty clean here, to be honest, but you do need a liquidity grab. Like, I would need a bigger top wick, if I'm honest. I think that you could be clean to drive down, especially, like, if you look at it that way. You just need a stronger close. I actually like the inverted charts. I might have to back that out a little bit more. But if you saw this, you'd be looking at only buys, right? You would not be looking at sells right now. Oh, maybe you would. I think this level here, 26.65, is a very, very strong level. Alright, calm. You actually... It actually is a cheat code, I can't lie, looking at the inverted charts. The first day I ain't trade gold in a while. Yeah, bro. I mean, yesterday was pretty cooked. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't really catch anything yesterday, but the better way for bias. Yeah, 100%, bro. It's actually way, way cleaner. I forgot to do that. I haven't looked at that in a while. It does just, even if it's not like not to do with your bias, all it does is it just like I guess resets your brain. You're used to looking at it one way, and you can see it from a different perspective for once. It's actually really nice. Yo, what's good, Eugene? Alright, chat, 2 minutes here to the close. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do, man? Everybody was cooking while I was being cooked yesterday. Bro, I feel like a lot of people got cooked, though. Like, bro, you're only gonna see people yesterday. Like, yesterday, a lot of people would have got wrecked real bad, and you won't see their posts, but you will see people who, like, just got in sales and held it. Yeah, a lot of people would have made a lot of money, but I guarantee so many people lost a shitload yesterday too. I think if you didn't get a closure above 78 before NY session, we may test back 43 and maybe 32. Yeah, I don't know, bro. 78 is quite a way away, right? 78 is like up here. Unless you mean 68. Oh yeah, maybe you're on futures. I don't know, bro. I think you're gonna continue to range, to be honest. I can't lie, if we close like this on the 30-minute, I'm probably going to look at some sales here if we come up top wick first. If they cut rates, we can retest 2700. Bro, I don't really predict news, right? I just go off what happens. Once it happens, I take a look. And then, like, go with the wave, basically. Yesterday was a close your eyes and sell kind of day. Yeah, it kind of was, bro, but... Again, like... I was talking to Kata about this last night, like... A lot of the DGen people would have made a shitload of money yesterday. And don't get me wrong, a lot of people with a good strategy would have made money, but like actually FOMO paid off yesterday, which is crazy. If you just FOMO'd sells, you still would have made money. But chat, 1 minute here to the 4-hour close. Lock it in. I want to see this 30 close bearish, obviously. I expect us to rip down here. I just don't know whether or not we're going to get a top wick. I think the 4 hours closing respecting to a lot of the levels. Like here. You are closing bullish, yes, but it's also quite weak bullish. It's almost even doji. So as long as we can grab a top wick on this next 30-minute opening and the 4-hour opening, right? I think you should be good to get some sales to continue down till at least 59, if not further. Stops are going to be... Yeah, stops are like 40 pips. It's not too bad. Bro, unless we just start to push now. That shit would be insane. No shot is going to close no top wick, bro. That's actually crazy. No bottom wick. That's crazy. That's actually insane. I think this is too weak of a closure to buy as well, to be honest. Bro, all I needed was a wick on that 30-minute candle. We'd be in sells. Or we'd be looking to get sells, right? That would have been so clean as well. And now you just sat still. Like, it's one of those 4-hour opens where you're just frozen in time. I mean, the 4-hour technically needs a top wick still, right? But the fact that you close, like, respecting these levels over here to the left is a little bit difficult for me. Only way I could maybe look at it is if you come down and make a bottom wick for the previous one. Down here. And start to reject, right? So I'll stay on for like 5-10 minutes, see if we do that. Good, Veen. How's it going, bro? Could be interesting, chat, to be fair. I just don't like buying this closure, to be honest. And look, we did exactly what I said, right? We're looking for that retest into like 59. Looks like you're going to come down and do that right now. I'm not gonna lie, I think I want to wait till news. Maybe. I think we're going to be choppy until news, I can't lie. Super hungry but can't leave just yet. I hear that. Get this 5-minute closes, chat. Alright, I'm just calculating. I mean, to be fair, you got some... You know what? I'll watch this 5. If the 5 closes no bottom wick, we might look to take some buys. Otherwise, I'm going to call it, chat. Because I don't like this range, to be honest. I think the 4-hour needs a top wick. But I do think also, based off the 30-minute and where we closed and how we respected these levels, I think you're good to continue down as well. So, by the looks of it, chat, probably going to have to wait until NY here, if I'm honest. All right, cool chat. What do you expect tonight, FMC? No clue, bro. I've actually got no clue. Again, you might see us push up, you might see us push down. I don't know. We'll jump on the wave though, either way. But look, chat, listen. We'll play the pixel letters right now. I'm gonna call it for London because I don't like this. I don't like this choppiness, to be honest. I think we're just gonna range and do a bit of bullshit until news to see, not this evening, but at 1:30. And yeah, help me out with these words, and then we'll jump off because New York should be decent. Make sure you guys pull up to that. It's gonna be in like 3 hours, basically. Make sure you've dropped a like on today's stream as well. I appreciate it very much. And yeah, about it, man. And why it is in a bit. Yeah, in a bit, bro. Buttocks is a crazy guess. What is this word? I thought famed, right? But it can't be. I know it can be. It can be. It can be. Yeah, W. Good shit, 2-3. Welcome back. FMC down is more convincing. Yeah, it depends what they do, right? I don't really get too much into the numbers and shit, but easy. Right. Basil. Alright, W. A. L. Wheat? Oh, that's a good guess. A great guess. Well, it actually might be, to be fair. Oh, what is this? Oh, is it? Wrist, yeah. Good shit, Vidang. It should have been wheat. It actually should have been wheat there, I can't lie. But yeah, chat, look, 4 hour flipped here. I can't take anything there. Listen, chat, that's going to be it from me. Hope you guys have a great rest of London session. And guys, I'll see you in New York in about 3 hours time. Listen, be careful if you're trading this. It's a bit choppy, a little bit tough. But yeah, man. See you guys in the next one. Peace out. Much love. Bye-bye, man. See you later.